Hello everybody, my name is Hamza. Today I'm presenting Syntact. Syntact is a unique application that lets you generate full lessons in an interactive IDE, full coding lessons in JavaScript in an interactive IDE, so that you can watch the lesson, hear the audio, see the slides, see the UI changing, and interact with the IDE and change the code as much as you need to get the point better. So this solves a few problems. The first problem that it solves is that you can jump around and play with the code. The other problem that it does solve too is that you generate the lesson that you want. So it's not one size fits nobody. And it also means that the lesson is as new as it gets. It's very recent. It's not outdated, similar to Udemy courses that might be updated once or twice a year. Yeah. So here is a quick overview of our application.
We will build a small browser dashboard that treats streaming data as an async iterable, so the behind the friendly syntax.
It can show tables and work through them.
An async iterable exposes symbol.async iterator, which gives JavaScript an object it can pull from. Each call to next returns a promise for a result object. The app will follow a three-part pipeline.
It can even show a mermaid.
A source generator produces chunks. A loop consumes them, and later a transform generator will sit between it.
And of course, mutate the terminals and commands and show the output. And yeah. It can even highlight code. Yeah, it's highlighting code. And it can even mutate the UI that it already coded. So this UI is coded by the AI that generated the lesson. It can mutate it within the lesson. Yeah, it can also offer you to solve an exercise, but now I already solved it. And here, let me edit it a little bit, and I can save my edit as a tagged. And now I can go back to this edit at any point and see what I did. Yeah. So the big problem, why PostgreSQL through Aurora and not DynamoDB, and not Aurora DSQL? So we tried DynamoDB, but it couldn't work. It was too hacky because of the 400 kilobyte document limit and the very hard way of making relations work in NoSQL. And we also tried DSQL, and it also didn't work. It was also too hacky. But the real edge in these two database options is that they are much cheaper than Aurora PostgreSQL. So this is a cut that we have to do when we need to use relational data on a SQL database. Here's a quick overview of the architecture. We have the browser clerk, ingest for the agents, E2B for the agent runtime, web containers for the user runtime, PSQL and Vercel blobs for audio, and yeah, that's about it. And why would anybody pay for this? So the main thing is that instead of buying a $10 Udemy course, you can just subscribe for $10 per month, for example, and maybe have access to generate 10, 15 mini courses. And these courses are always up to date, and these courses, you can edit them as much as you want. You can change the material in them. You can tell the AI to edit them, send follow-up messages to change the material, and you can interact into the IDE of this module. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks you for watching.